Microwave chocolate mug cake. Ingredients: 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 tablespoon water, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 1. Mix flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt in a microwave-safe mug. Step 2. Stir in milk, canola oil, water, and vanilla extract. Step 3. Cook in microwave until cake is done in the middle, about 1 minute 45 seconds.